More. Well, we have officially been driven back to the hotel because it is raining cats and dogs, and we got a thunderstorm here in the middle of the afternoon. Whoop. Got lightning and everything. So, yeah, looks like we're going to be inside for just a minute or two. We got some skeletons up on the balcony. We are back out here. And now we're going to head down Bourbon Street. You can't come to New Orleans and not go down Bourbon Street at least once. Been to the French Quarter. We got to at least check it out. Plus, there's a drink down here called the hand grenade. Uh-oh.
So
apparently it's a swingers. There's bubbles coming into that one. It's a swingers weekend, and apparently there's topless people here somewhere. You got the Bourbon Street honky tonk with country music, the Tropical Isle. That's the place that has the hand grenade drink. So we got a smoke shop, Bourbon Beat. It's still a little wet down here. Few people down here.
control your brother.
That's the huge ass cantina over there. We got gifts, guaranteed low prices. We got Crazy Corner. The cat's meow over there. There's a pizza joint. Whoa.
I know. Don't like it.
Almost fell on a hole. We're going all the way down. Now we got music picking up. We got the Happy Hookah. Okay, that's Fat Tuesdays. We've seen those. And it look, it's empty. It's a chain and it's completely empty.
I'm not gonna go over.
It's a place called the House of Buns. There's a House of Voodoo. There's a Chicken Shack. Yeah, it's pretty wild down here, huh?
Yeah.
The Tipsy Trumpet. There's a Bayou Club over there. More restaurants. The Boogie Woogie. Oh, another place to get some t-shirts. I bet you I can get Tiffany will probably go in this one.
You gonna go in?
You gonna go in? They got Voodoo, Spice in Your Life. They got the boot scooting over across the street, the swamp. Got people up on the balconies enjoying Bourbon Street. We're still working our way down towards Canal Street. Tiffany did get some t-shirts. But right now we're going to check it all out and to decide where we're going to park it for a little while and see what's going on and have a drink.
Oh, that's cute.
The Naughty Nolans bandstand. Got Fat Cats, Dixieland. Another Tropical Isle with the hand grenade. Yeah, po' boy sandwiches, Ugly Gator. Another Fat Tuesdays. Another Chicken Shack. I think we're starting to repeat some places. The whole one down there called Mango Daiquiris further down that way. Down here you got Prohibition with home of the huge ass beer. See? There's a sign, let them know it's huge ass.
Hey, it's shot o'clock right now.
There's a hotel right there. I think I actually looked at that. I think I looked at that hotel. We almost stayed there. Well, the kids might have liked it right across from the Gentleman's Club.
Yeah, I don't know about lazy.
They'd have been like, I looked out my window. Do you know what I saw?
You would have been waiting myself in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I looked at that one right there. Got a jazz club. That sign back there says beignets. I'm just saying. Oh, that's because that's a cafe beignet.
How do you get there?
Now we got the Voodoo chicken and daiquiris. The beach on Bourbon. Chicken. More chicken shacks. More Big Easy daiquiris. The Hustler Club. All right, you got the Hustler Club over there. I mean, the Bourbon House over there with a little jazz music. So now we are heading back down just the other side of Bourbon Street. That's the side we were on over there. Now we're heading back down this direction. We walked all the way down to Canal Street. And now we're gonna look for a place to stop. We've kind of seen everything. We're gonna have at least one drink here on Bourbon Street while we're here. So we stopped in Mango here. Get some frozen drinks. I got something called Jungle Juice. What'd you get?
Mango.
Mango.
Jungle juice.
And Jungle Juice. Couple Jungle Juices and the oddball mango over here. So I did get the hand grenade. Look, it's even got a face on it. It's a very pineapple-y drink. But did get a hand grenade. It's even got like a little plastic grenade in it. You take it back, you get a second one at a reduced price. So that's a good deal. But apparently we're going back down Bourbon Street again.
Famous all over the world. Over 30 to 40, 50 million views on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the part of our show what we like to call our grand finale. For all you high school dropouts, this is the end. Dun, 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 dun. She was like, I got my GED though. Okay, girl, you okay? Get your GED. For the grand finale, everybody listen up. We can only do it once, it's dangerous. For the grand finale, all the way from New Orleans, 24 years old. He's the high flyer of the show. Everybody makes it us with KO!
He's gonna jump white people.
Just got out of jail last night. Hell yeah. I don't know how the hell he got it here. Probation, what's up, fool? For the grand finale, KO is gonna run from this side at full speed with no police behind him. That's right, no ice. He was like, yeah. He's going to run, jump, and flip over most of the volunteers. Most. Body extended, landing on the other side with no hands. Oh, hell no. With that kind of energy, Steve and Bob are gonna die, okay? Bitcoin everywhere. Tesla's, the one that drives himself. You know what I'm talking about, the white chocolate, you stand right here. Okay?
Gavin's
right
white chocolate.
All right, here we go. Listen up. Boys, what you guys gotta do is follow me and white chocolate, okay? We're gonna wake it up. White chocolate, stand right here. Face that way.
Gavin's white
All right,
chocolate.
here we go. Kid, how old are you?
I'm 13.
Cool. When I was 13, I was your age. All right, boys, spread it out. Give each other some space, okay?
All right, for everybody at home, we know white chocolate.
Tesla, Wells Fargo, Chase, Bitcoin. Okay, there.
While we're recording this, white
All right,
chocolate
boys,
is one of ours.
New Orleans. I want to remind you, gentlemen, this is just a street show.
And he's never living
Please
down the
don't
name
take it
White
so
Chocolate.
seriously. Let's have some fun. All you guys got to do is follow me, okay? Follow the black guy like the police does. They follow me everywhere. I do not know why. All right.
He's now going to be
follow
YouTube
me.
famous.
First move, boys. Get the
White chocolate.
I mean, he's already TikTok famous. Mine is
Come on, sugar daddy. Come on, Santa Claus.
famous too.
So for anybody wondering, that one right there, that's
Yeah,
Gavin,
Oh, you, I don't know. Go ahead, man. You can go, bro. Go
or
ahead.
AKA White Chocolate.
We need another guy. We need a substitute. Hold up. I need a rich white. No, he's too old. No,
He's with me. He's with us.
Gorilla, go back. Gorilla, go back. What the hell, sexy man? What the hell she doing?
All right, now hit the shoulders, y'all.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them good girls, them good girls, baby. The big styling, Living it up in the city. Got like something with St. Rough and got kiss myself so pretty. I'm too high. For the police and the firemen, I'm too high. Say my name, you know who I am. And my band behind that, but break it down. Girl, say hallelujah. Girl, say hallelujah.
So we have moved over into the French Quarter shopping area. Tiffany here has had many, many slushy drinks. It was you, right?
No, I think it's the other way around.
Is it me?
Yeah. They're going to tell by your talking.
Okay, she says they're going to tell by my talking. But we're over here in the French Quarter shopping area. There's a statue of this guy. I don't know who this guy is. I'm not sure where we're going. There's not a lot of people over here. So,
It might be closed already. It's late.
what time is it? Okay, so here's the truth. Tiffany made us go down Bourbon Street like 5 times.
After 5.
And since Tiffany made us go down Bourbon Street 5 times, I had to go to the bathroom. And every time I had to go to the bathroom, the lady made me buy a slushy beverage. Okay? And Tiffany had to go to the bathroom. And the lady made her buy a slushy beverage, which Tiffany made me drink. That's how we ended up in this situation. Tell them the truth, baby.
I'm talking all right. You're not. They're going to tell in the video.
You're crazy. But here we are. We're in the French Market District. 6 blocks. Open daily. But I have no idea actually what time it is.
5:10.
5:10. It should still be open at 5:10 on a Friday, right?
It's not Friday.
Saturday. I was close. It was a weekend. Came out this way. I hear some music. We're going to go check that out. Apparently, this is a world famous restaurant, it says. Frank's. World famous. You ever heard of Frank's? I don't know how famous it is. Let's go find out. Do they have beignets? That's the real question. I do like all of the statues and different artwork they have throughout the New Orleans here. It's really, really good. And there's Tiffany. See, she's got a drink in her hand. Don't let her fool you. See, she's trying to blame it on me, but look, there she is. Sipping down the jungle juice. So we have made it back over to the hotel. We've had a ton of fun today. Been up and down Bourbon Street several times. I have learned that they will put booze in your ice cream. So, yep, there is that. But we're back over at the hotel. Kids want to do a little bit of swimming before the evening now that it's stopped raining. No more thunder, no more lightning. So I think we're going to be here for the rest of the night. We're going to chill out. We have had a great time here in New Orleans. Absolutely recommend, if you're cruising out of New Orleans, come down here a day in advance. There's a lot to do, a lot to experience, a bunch of fun to have. But we are pretty much done for the day. It's coming up on about 8 o'clock at night. So I think we're going to quit it. We got to drive another 8 hours to get back home tomorrow. So we'll be up early and driving tomorrow. So if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas, or in today's case, the Big Easy.